Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these Supreme t-shirts. So this is a collaboration with Hanes. These are the 2 tagless t-shirts. Color is heather gray. This is what the back looks like, what the tag looks like. This matches the socks I unboxed in my other video. Check them out. Got a good amount of these shirts in my previous unboxing videos, but this is a different color, so it's always nice. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Cool. Here's what the tag looks like. No tag, just a label. Supreme. Authentic, you know. Super hype beast. Then the only spot that there's a logo is right down here. So red Supreme logo on the front bottom left of the shirt when you're wearing it. So really simple shirt, great for the gym. Great for your everyday workouts, hangouts. Fits really well. Brand name, you know, Hanes and Supreme. Best collabo ever. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this shirt in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.